Hello friends, this is seventh problem of index number, price index number. That is seventh one. Calculate Fisher's index number from the following data. Item, base year price and total value. See, this is here total value is given. It is called as a V0 and value is equal to price into cost. That is price into quantity. So that is called as a value, means it is a V0. V0 equal to P0 into Q0. It is a base year, therefore it is called as a V0 and price is a P0. And current year, the price is called as a P1 and again total value, it is V1. V1 equal to P1 into Q1. So it's a value, not quantity. This is when compared to other problem. In all other previous problem, there is a quantity, but here no quantity. It is a value is given in both the cases, in current year as well as in base year. Value equal to, in base year it is a V0, it is a P into Q, P0 into Q0, whereas in current year it is V1 and it is equal to P1 into Q1. So value means value equal to price into quantity. See here there is a one note, total value equal to price into quantity. That's what I told. So therefore V0 equal to P0 into Q0 and V1 equal to P1 into Q1. So that is, so it means P0 Q0 is given and P1 Q1 is given in the problem. So item, the first column, and P0 base year price, V0 the value of the base year, that is called as a P0 into Q0, and P1 is another one which is given in the problem, current year price and current year value, it is P1 into Q1. The other things which required for the calculation of Fisher's index number, we need P0 Q1 and P1 Q0. So we have to find out the Q0 with the help of the V0. So it is V0, it's given V0 equal to P0 into Q0. So therefore Q0 equal to V0 divided by P0. Take this P0 into left hand side of the equation, then you will get the Q0. So Q0 equal to V0 divided by P0. In same way Q1 also, Q1 equal to V1 divided by P1. Take this P1 into left hand side of the equation, that is V1 divided, that will become V1 divided by P1, and so it is equal to Q1. So Q1 equal to V1 and divided by P1, and these Q0 and Q1, why it is required? To find out the P0 into Q1 and P1 into Q0. This Q0 and Q1 is not given, so therefore we need it for the calculation of Fisher's index number. So it's required for the calculation of Fisher's index number. In the problem V1 and V0 is given, so therefore we have to find out the Q0 and V0. Then we have to find out the remaining two values, that is P0 into Q1 and P1 into Q0. So other things same like other index numbers. So only changes is you have to remember is V0 means it is if the base year value is given, that is equal to P0 into Q0, and if the current year value is given, then it is equal to P1 into Q1. And even in case of expenditure, if the expenditure is also given, then also it is equal to, if the base year expenditure is given, then it is called as E0, and if the current year expenditure is given, then it is a E1. Thank you.